Drying laundry is always a hassle. You need to move wet laundry to the dryer after the wash cycle is done. This can be heavy, and it's time wasted that should be spent doing other things. Since you need to keep an eye on it until the wash is fully done, many people wished for a washer and dryer in one. It would be much more convenient. But these two machines are totally different. Could we really bring them together? We wanted to make it happen.
Sure, combining the washer and dryer into one solved a lot of hassles, but there were still challenges left in doing laundry. Many people still just pressed the cotton cycle. We thought, if choosing the right settings feels complicated, what if the machine could simply decide for you? That's when we began exploring ways to use AI. It was a long and demanding journey, training the machine multiple times with data from numerous types of fabrics. But in the end, it learned to recognize the most common laundry types: cotton, towels, and delicates. Now, it can set the wash time and detergent amount on its own, based on types of fabric, weight, and soil level, helping you make the right choice for your laundry.
For a better life, we continue to pursue new challenges every day.
Enabling better living. Samsung Bespoke AI Laundry Combo.